How's it going, everyone? So I got a question today from a subscriber. They want to know why they can't do 50 push-ups in a row. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So in this video, I'm going to go over a workout that you guys can do to help you do 50 push-ups in a row. I'm also going to talk about some tips that you'll need to know if you want to do the 50 push-ups in a row. So the first thing that I would do, and I say this in all my push-up videos, is lose weight. That's the easiest way to do push-ups. You look at anyone that's doing 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 push-ups in a row, they're very lean, they're very jacked, or they're just very lean and skinny. So lose weight, that's the key, is to lose weight. Get to a low body fat percentage, at least to where your abs are showing, and you will be easily be able to do at least 20 to 30 push-ups more. If you can only do 20, you're kind of overweight. Lose 20 pounds, you'll gain 30 push-ups easily. That's all push-ups really is. Same with any body weight exercise. Same with pull-ups. If you're trying to do more pull-ups, if you weigh 300 pounds, you're not going to even be able to do one pull-up. If you weigh 150, you could probably crank out about 20 or 30. So it definitely depends on your body structure. Not everyone who's super skinny is going to be able to do that many push-ups in a row. But if you're overweight and you can't do any push-ups or barely any, then lose weight and you'll be able to do more. Now for the people who are super skinny already, they can't do 50 push-ups in a row or they can't do 20 in a row, you need to get on a proper push-up routine that will allow you to gain muscle in your chest, shoulders, triceps, all the muscles used for the push-ups. And the best way to do that is to do push-ups and push-up variations. So what I recommend doing, you don't have to go super crazy on the push-up variations, but what I recommend doing is have 2 days. One day is going to be a push-up volume day, the other is going to be a push-up intensity day. Now what you want to do is you want to do your first day, do push-up volume. The next day, take a rest day. The day after that, do push-up intensity. The next day, rest day, and then back to push-up volume. Keep doing that. Rotate the volume day and the intensity day, but have a day off after each one to allow your body to rest and recover. The point of the volume day is to get volume in. So you want to do lots of sets. I recommend at least 10 sets. Now you want to be able to finish these 10 sets. If you can do 30 push-ups, do not do 30 push-ups on your first set, because all your sets after that are going to be destroyed. You probably wouldn't be able to get 20 or 15 reps after that. You probably only get 5 or 10. Trust me, I've learned this the hard way. I've done push-up volume before. I've cranked out as much as I can the first set, and then the second, third, fourth set, I'm just destroyed. So if you can do 30 push-ups in a row, I recommend doing anywhere from 5 to 10 push-ups. I recommend 10 push-ups per set. So if you do 30 in a row, do 10 sets of 10 repetitions. That's 100 reps. That's a lot of repetitions you're getting in. That's going to build muscle. That's going to get your push-up form down very good. On your intensity day, just try to do as many push-ups in a row as you can do. So if you can do 30, try to do 31. If you get 31, try to do 32. Just keep doing that. What's going to happen is that volume day, when you come back to the volume day, what you want to do is add push-up repetitions. So if you do 100 reps, then you want to do 102 reps or 104 reps. And then you just keep adding push-ups to your volume day as you go along. What will happen is the volume and intensity, you're going to keep increasing your push-ups. What happens is if you stop increasing your push-ups on your intensity day for about 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 times in a row you do your intensity day, you don't increase any push-ups, then switch up the variation. Do a different variation. Do archer push-ups. Do wide grip push-ups. Do diamond push-ups. Do dive bomb push-ups. Do pike push-ups. Do all sorts of different variations, but pick one variation only. Do one variation and then do the same thing. Do a volume day, do an intensity day. Try to get higher reps on your intensity day and do that until you can't do that. Switch up the variation. Keep doing that. Your push-ups will skyrocket, guaranteed. What I'm going to start doing on my push-up videos from now on too, I'm going to start doing push-up workouts to kind of show you guys the different variations, and the different workouts that we can do. We'll do volume days, we'll do intensity days, we'll really mix it up. So end of video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999.